the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from SNG Comedy.
No, but in one of the story arcs, they were also trying to make Rachel and Chandler was supposed to be a thing. So they just touched upon it in a dream sequence in one of the earlier days, where he's in a bar playing pool and all, and then they shifted around to.
That's a typical problem. I'm glad they didn't do that because typically with these shows, everybody sleeps with everybody, right? By the end, the show finishes. They've tried every permutation and combination. Like,
But just think about it, right? If you are this close group of friends, okay, and not one of y'all is ugly, and y'all are together for 10 years.
But
there is a chance you will fuck
I've seen that
another
in a
person.
group that I had a group of friends in college. But like, after college, we hung out for a couple of years, and it just started happening like iska girlfriend iske saath hai. I used to meet them like 6 mahine baad wapas. So I used to go out and then like
वो group का गंतर है.
I guess, but I wasn't watching them. No, I used to come back for 6 months, so I used to get like this massive binge of kya hua. So now I was like, "Arey, how is she now?" I'm like, "Nahi, yaar, she's seeing him now," and he's sitting here with her, and this guy's also hanging out with them every day.
So they
This is the most stable, unstable group I've ever heard of.
आज का ये अच्छा आज का
But
ये
what do you?
अगले 6
Okay,
महीने का.
here's the thing. What do you think that story is? The Joey story, which he uses to get laid every single time.
He probably just says that he has a big
Or what do you think?
cock or something.
No, I know the story. Where once I was backpacking in.
That's it. That's always the start. In
Oh, you want to say
Barcelona,
finish the story?
I was
Story.
backpacking in Barcelona, and then you just cut to something. You cut back, and like people are making out.
Yeah.
So what do you think that story was?
It's got to have animals involved because nothing melts a woman's heart like a cute animal. So that's
Yeah.
one thing.
He saves an animal.
Yeah, he
biryani,
saves an animal.
biryani. Oh, अच्छा.
No, I think it's got to be the bull running and then maybe the little bull.
There's a rabbit or something
A baby
in-
bull or something in the middle, and he picks the bull out of the. I'm guessing something like that.
Make sure we've covered
So
all
I think
points.
for by the time we got
So,
to season 8,
trivia, this, that,
No,
we-
it started dragging toward like I think American shows have a problem that they keep like beating a dead horse.
They don't know when to stop.
They
Yeah.
don't know
No,
when to
but you know,
stop.
here's the thing. You've been watching it for 12 years after watching it for 10 years in the start. So basically 26 years we've been watching
Yeah,
it.
no, that's
Right?
fine.
But it still doesn't feel dated. Like even now, if you watch an episode, you know,
I think-
like I
I
don't
think
tend
it's
to watch
because-
series from 2006 where nahi yaar wo ho gaya. But like Friends episode comes, you will still
I think
watch it.
it's because the social observations haven't changed.
Yeah, social observations haven't changed. The dynamics between people, relationships haven't changed. Also, these guys used to dictate cultural norms or reflect them in America.
No.
Like if they had that MMA thing, it was slowly getting popular in America
wait.
at that time, and they included it.
The
in that.
other thing is that it's working in India because a lot of the situations that were there then in America are now coming down here.
Also,
Like,
look,
हाँ,
look,
this
look,
is
look at the
Western.
slice of life.
तुम जैसे लोग Western influence.
Because when did
another
CCD
reason
come
is-
to India?
Friends,
You have to
Friends
ask the
created a
question.
lot of the lingo that we use
Yeah.
today. Friends
like,
created
and
a lot.
Also, half the pop culture references that you and I will quote right now, we've heard it happen then.
Yeah.
Like even now when you watch it,
We were on a
because you
break
say if you
is-
watched it when you were 16, vis-a-vis watching it now, the same
Yeah.
episode, suddenly you will hear a joke, you'll be like, oh fuck, that's what it meant.
Yeah.
You know, you'll
Yeah.
just get it because
Also-
you know
also
how
look-
to
look-
make
look at-
it.
Like the term break. We
Yeah,
were on a break.
break.
Break was a thing. They made it, right? Like they,
So
several
look,
lingo
look,
things.
look at the
they
period in
created.
life. Okay,
Thankful.
so
all the men are thanking them for that. Yeah, we were on
so
a
we
break.
go from college. There's this in our lives. There's a small period between having children and families and finishing college, and that's what they've captured here, right? That's
Correct.
small. Like,
The
when,
in-between.
you have roommates, when your responsibilities are pretty limited. When you're dating, for example, eventually you get married and you have a kid. Most people, at least. So for those people, it's a throwback to look at those 2-3 years we had with our friends.
So like nostalgia.
Correct. And for the people who are in college, it's like, look, we have something to
Ambition.
look forward to. Yeah, it's ambition. We have something to look forward to. So it really captured that even if you're not in that age group, you were around that age group, you still wanted to aspire to be that or have some sort of value.
And that's also the negative of Friends. Where
There you go.
Where it's like, hey, dude, my life is never going to be like this.
No, but you vicariously live it through the show, right?
Yeah.
Naash
Yeah.
mein bhi kabhi.
No, yeah, exactly. But like the thing is, ki, like I have a school friend group. Okay, like we have friends from school, and because of Friends, the TV show, like these guys had jobs, but they also had all the time in the world to just hang out in an apartment and in a coffee shop.
Yeah.
They're like, dude, ये मेरे life में क्यों नहीं है? Like, why do I have
मैं थक क्यों
responsibilities?
जाता हूँ? मेरे को इसके बाद कॉफी शॉप में बैठना पड़ता है. मैं थक जाता हूँ.
Yeah,
दिन
dude, I
में.
don't want to sit here.
Paleontologist bhi.
Time निकाल के आ रहा है रात
Actually,
को.
and that's the problem. I think show the biggest negative for me. This is because now I'm older. I can look back and say it was anti-intelligence. Because
that was the article.
Because the most intelligent character was constantly ridiculed for being intelligent.
Yes.
All the time. Like
Yeah.
for example, he's a doctor, he's a PhD, right?
Yeah.
But instead of being respected for that, he was ridiculed for that.
Intelligence was shunned.
Constantly.
Yeah.
And so what brought about, and that this is the biggest difference between Seinfeld and Friends.
Yeah.
Seinfeld was, in a sense, it made you think sometimes. You know,
Yeah.
it sort of questioned a couple of things that they brought. It was so silly, all of it.
It was
Because
silly
even
and
now
they-
you'll
but-
remember the silly things more. Like,
Correct.
oh, you know, I ate this thing, now it's hurting my Joey's apple. But for the last time, Joey, it's not named after the person.
See, but that is funny.
You'll
Yeah.
remember this.
But that's
You know?
hilarious.
Yeah,
I
but
get it. It's,
that was the point of the article, that it made fun of intelligence
yeah.
all the
So
time.
bashing, making Ross into a punching bag basically said that it's okay to be dumb. And it's okay to laugh at dumb, be dumb. So Joey became a more aspirational character than Ross became.
That's why
Yeah,
you wouldn't have a
acceptable.
Raw spin-off character.
Yeah.
Spin-off show.
Sure,
like,
exactly.
Just like with
And
dinosaurs.
Ross was also made boring.
That was a seed for Trump being elected eventually.
Absolutely.
है ना?
Yeah.
See, it's
So the Friends is responsible for Trump getting elected in America. You heard it here first. We've reversed engineered this.
No, it's a universal thing. I think in India today, if you are intelligent, if you actually study history, you're a historian, for example, and you know how history went down, and you go on Twitter and say, "Listen, guys, this is what we think happened in the, let's say, Mahabharata."
Yeah,
How
18
dare you? Fuck
you
you.
will be ridiculed.
Yeah,
You'll
18
be
egg users will come.
they will
"Hey."
destroy you. Your account will be suspended.
Yeah.
There'll be FIRs against you.
Yeah.
Because that's the problem. Because today nobody's willing to believe the experts because everybody's made up their mind. This is how the world works. And that I think I wouldn't blame Friends for it. That's ridiculous to blame. Friends for
Everybody's
it.
a closet expert, but
But yeah,
No, and
correct.
the best definition of intelligence I've ever heard is the ability to hold two contrary opinions at the same time.
Yeah.
That's what it
and
is.
honestly,
Like,
that Ross is the only one in this group of
Yeah.
friends who could do that.
and
could do that,
funnily
yeah.
enough, he was also the most intelligent actor because he was the only one that directed some of the episodes.
yeah.
Directed quite a few of the episodes.
No, and comes to playing a character like a Joey, right? Dumb, this, that. Or Chandler, where he's the cooler character, quote unquote. I think it takes a lot more acting
Yeah.
to play a character like
Ross,
Ross does.
yeah.
Because Ross is not like that in real life. I'm
Yeah.
sure he's a pretty fucking cool guy. And
You know,
shit.
No, but even
Was
Joey is
amazing
not. In fact,
fucking,
Joey also used to.
People versus OG. He's playing Rob Kardashian. He's phenomenal.
Yeah, he's
but
phenomenal.
growing up, I used to hate Ross.
Yeah.
Because first ही Rachel के साथ है तो automatically hate.
Because तेरे को Rachel मिलने वाली है.
हाँ.
You got jealous
Like,
of
I'm
Ross.
sitting here in
वो
comment
तेरी
कि-
भाभी है.
हाँ, कि रेचल के साथ रॉस कैसे
हाँ.
हाँ.
तो मेरे को आता उस पर तो even when he would be funny I'm like no fuck it, I don't like him too much like Ross and Phoebe were my least favorite. As compared to the other ones
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I think it takes a lot more acting to do those two parts.
Because he had to control himself more, na? He
Yeah.
can't go.
Yeah.
Because he's-
But those moments when Ross used to lose it,
Yeah.
that's why that.
But they were
pocket tearing
written.
Is my
They were
favorite
written
moment.
in also like that. They wrote for David Schwimmer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they kept that
You-
neurotic
you
sense in
understand-
mind.
Also, you have to understand the way they were going back to writing. They traded whack job positions, right? Depending on the story, on what the arc was. Like, so Ross would be a straight guy many times, but a lot of times he was the whack job.
Yeah. So, but when he would lose it, it was a very big
was-
deal as opposed
yeah.
to Phoebe losing it.
when he goes for a tanning
Tanning.
thing, and he's like okay
He
you have to
just
count
keeps
till three.
turning
Ready?
around.
1 2 3 go 1 Mississippi 2 and then he goes back he's like no you don't have to do it.
Should I
you don't
turn
have to
around?
count it
Should I turn-
Mississippi?
How do you
Then
count
that
without
thing where
being-
he puts
the
on
guy who
leather
comes out of
Leather pants.
leather pants
But
and he's
that's
trying
the
really
episode,
hard
Elizabeth
to get it
Horne
off.
See, you know what?
By
You know
the way,
all this
Ross-
stuff. All this stuff. Actually, believe it or not, going back to my point, this didn't happen in the first 2 seasons. This happened season
Much
one.
later, yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Because they realized, holy shit, having an intelligent character is not popular. Nobody likes him.
Yeah.
No,
so
but-
let's make him do dumb things like whiten his teeth too bright,
Yeah, too bright.
and make him
Over
more
bright.
Nee, but the thing was, when Ross used to get, have you noticed the amount of slapstick that David Schwimmer could
Yeah.
pull off?
Yeah.
Nobody else did. Like
The
there was a point
pants-
in the pants where his
Slaps
hand
his
slips
face.
and slaps his own face.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like how the fuck did this guy just do that?
Yeah.
And he
No, but
pulled it off
even when he
perfectly.
would do like there's a scene where Joey and Ross announce that they're getting back on the day they're going to celebrate their engagement. So Monica's like, "You stole my thunder again," and then they have a fight, and then Rachel goes to the room.
And
And
he
right
shows
before
up.
that, she had told Ross that you're really good
hands.
with your hands and all of that. So this scene has happened. It's tension, and Ross just shows up, puts his hand inside. Guess who? And then he comes and stands. So I was thinking, blah, blah, blah. And Rachel's not interested because she's fried with Monica. And then she's waiting there, and she turns around. Ross is waiting. Okay, he's like, "Am I going to watch you? Let you watch me undress?" Like, no.
You know, also America is a very homophobic society. You'll never see in America 2 dudes on a motorbike. That's just not possible. In India, you'll see 4 dudes on a motorbike, right?
guys
You
and
say,
a child.
"Hota hi nahi hai. You better find another bike, or you are not coming on my bike." It's super homophobic. And so that episode where Joey and Ross
They
realize
fall asleep.
They go to sleep.
They sleep better when they cuddle together.
Yeah.
I mean, it spoke actually quite. It was quite a ballsy
But
move.
Joey
right?
and Ross again have been stuck in these moments. Like once they were stuck on the roof, and then they had to climb
Climb
on.
down.
So they had to climb
ass
along here. So ass
You
on
want me to-
face
or
you know,
ass
also-
on face.
also-
Face
You know
to
what?
face or
What that
ass to
scene
face.
reminded me of? Uncle डंडी पे है डंडी पे लेकिन मैं चलाऊंगा कैसे?
Also, guys, first lesbian, mainstream
Yeah.
lesbian couple ever shown on TV.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Friends.
Yeah, Friends.
Yeah.
So a lot of
Ross, the divorce force.
Yeah.
The way like he wants to die
Ross
so
has
that
a-
he has a this at home, like Chauta at home, and he
Yeah.
wants to see how many people show up. He like, so when you put the ad, I want you to write like something like Ross, like the divorce force. Ross, the divorce force.
There's a new. David Schwimmer has just released a short film about sexual harassment, and it's getting like a bunch of awards. I don't know if you guys have seen it. Like you should have a look, and it's really well directed. He's just made it pretty. Like again, the direction and he was very clear. He wanted to be behind the camera. Right.
You guys,
like how-
you guys remember David Schwimmer on Entourage? He had a
Yeah.
small role.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
fucking funny.
Dude, okay, let's talk
divorce
about
force.
all the other guys. Like even Chandler. I mean, obviously you know him as Chandler, but after Friends, he
Studio
did this
60.
really fuck what a show.
Studio
West Wing.
60.
He was on
Studio
West Wing
60.
too?
West Wing, he was there for 2 episodes during Friends.
But Studio
2
60
seasons during
was
Friends.
phenomenal. What
Studio
great
60.
acting.
Yeah.
Like
Aaron
only
Sorkin.
Matthew Perry could do it.
Bradley Whitford and Matthew Perry. If you
Super.
haven't seen Studio 60 on the Sunset Strip,
Yeah.
watch
I'm
it.
sure
It
you
is
have.
It got
amazing.
cancelled really quickly, but it's a good show.
One-
Great
yeah,
show,
one season, no?
One season.
Then what did Monica did that show where she was the
She
she
was
did
the-
the
she-
show
Cougar.
Cougar Town.
Cougar Town.
Cougar
It's still
Town.
running.
Cougar
It's still
Town.
running, I think.
She did Cougar Town. She also in that movie.
Only Jennifer Aniston took it like further in movies.
Movies.
Per se, right? Like she did a lot of movies.
But I think she's like the worst actor amongst all of them. Jennifer Aniston.
You think?
No, I
so.
think she's.
I think all of them are good actors. I think the
I think again,
I think
Lisa
she
Kudrow
has
is
great-
the
Kudrow's the
strongest.
best actor.
Yeah.
You know Lisa Kudrow's HBO show? Have you guys seen that? Where she plays a actor fallen from grace.
I forgot her name.
It's
No.
super.
Yeah,
It's
I've heard
super.
of it.
It's
No,
really
Lisa
good.
Kudrow was very good, but I like Jennifer Aniston's comic timing in the sense that she plays a straight comic character, which is like a rare
Yeah.
quality. Where she can get a punchline in, but not have to do goofy shit.
Yeah.
I really like that quality. That's a rare one.
She plays with timing mostly.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yes.
It's
But
really good.
they are all 6 great. That's the thing. Their acting is so good. The level of acting that is, they pull it off. Like
It's
but for
believable.
some reason, when we try to do comedy, especially comedy in India, it's outrageously hammy.
Pudding.
No, so the thing with the problem with comedy in India is that it's acting rather than reacting. Like I think comedy is always
You
reactions
don't
to
listen.
stuff.
Everyone wants to do their own. This
Yeah.
तूने क्या अभी
Everyone
मैं ये
has a
करेगा?
punchline.
Acting becomes ham, reacting becomes natural.
Yeah.
Because
Like
you
it's-
want to
And-
see these 6
and,
people.
In Friends, there were no stereotypes of who these people are. Like there wasn't a Southerner, there wasn't a Minnesotan.
Yeah.
like
Yeah,
American
it's not.
stereotypes.
It's not.
But
yeah,
in
yeah,
India,
yeah.
when you want to make a show, to make एक को South करते हैं, एक को Maharashtrian,
एक vamp होनी चाहिए drama
they
में.
can't see outside that bubble. They were also one more criticism of Friends was they were all white. Which is not in New York,
yeah.
6 people who are all white, rarely.
The most cosmopolitan city in the world has not a single.
That's why
We just spoke about perfect casting,
You
and
had,
now we're talking about this.
Ross was partially Jewish.
Yeah, partially Jewish.
Monica was
This guy
partially
was
Jewish.
Italian.
Yeah.
Joey was
But
Italian.
it didn't play a really big
Exactly.
part. And like for us who have no idea what the difference between an Italian and a Jewish and
But
all
I
that
think
is,
I think it was also progressive in a way that like Chandler's dad was a cross-dresser.
Yeah.
yeah, first Caitlyn Jenner.
The
Yeah.
lesbian
Before
track,
Caitlyn Jenner.
Kathleen Turner, dude. Kathleen Turner played his dad. It is hilarious.
We need to.
the scene where they're getting married and they're like, hey, listen, you can't see the bride before the thing or shit goes wrong. And he's like, I saw him. It went very wrong. Because he ended up being a fucking transgender.
Okay. Okay. Close. Coming towards the end of the episode. If
Anyway,
there
okay,
was-
no, wait, before we come to the close. Favorite lines?
That's what I was going to close
lines.
with. I was going to close with that. One of my favorites is Elizabeth Hornswoggle. Could you be dating a character from Fraggle Rock? That's one of my favorite.
Please explain the joke. क्योंकि सब confused होके screen
हाँ,
off
ऐसे
कर दिया
मार
है.
रहे हैं laptop को.
In the episode where Chandler's not allowed to tell a joke, he sort of ends it with that because he.
No joke का
Just goes
मतलब
attack,
बता.
attack.
Yeah,
Yeah.
towards the end, it's a great.
Can you be any slower? बोलना.
Yeah.
I can't remember any.
I've got one line now. I'm going to have my sister's baby. My sister's going to have my babies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's the victory in his voice. like,
You know, I have to. I think one of my favorite lines is the one that Thakur mentioned earlier. The one because it highlights how guys are. Like if Varun told me his name was V, I just assume his name was V forever.
Yeah.
I would never question it.
You never
So
question
like,
it.
Like Rostifer, you know, like Rossel.
Russell.
It's because that's how guys are. Guys don't get to know each other on a very intimate level. It's very
Absolutely.
surface level
Yeah.
friendships.
Yeah.
No, like I think there is almost a generation of men who have still gone out and tried how you doing, thinking that they are the first person to do it
Yes.
after Joey.
Joey.
Like no other guy has.
No,
tried it
and that
after.
only changed with Have You Met Barney?
Yeah,
Wait,
exactly.
wait, here's the question: Has Joey slept with more women, or have more people come up to the real Joey and said, "How you doing?" So I was watching an interview and he said, "Dude, I'm shooting for that Top Gear. They're shooting somewhere in Africa, and people are coming up to him like, "How are you doing?"
Wow.
In Africa, man, they don't speak English.
But how you doing? How you doing?
Because they see it with subtitles.
That's crazy.
Every country.
I think
One of your favorite lines?
Good, not racist at all.
One of your favorite lines.
How you doing only?
How you
And
doing?
It's such a brilliantly written. It's not even brilliantly written. It's just a
just-
line.
it's not
how
even a
it's
pickup line.
delivered.
Delivered, yeah,
You
yeah.
know,
And
like-
context.
And the context of
Yeah.
it automatically just it became a cultural
Thing.
phenomena. कि लड़कियों को देखा था, how you doing?
Is there anything like Friends on TV today? Like, is there anything that popular right now?
I mean, you know,
Game of
like
Thrones.
how
Game of
like
Thrones.
people keep like pitting Friends against How I Met Your Mother because again, story
Similar,
about
similar.
friends, they all
Yeah.
hang out in
Same,
one
yeah.
place.
Bar,
But I think Friends wins. Yeah.
But Friends wins hands
Hands
down.
down.
Hands down. Like after the 5th episode of Kids, you know, when I Met Your Mother, I'm like, fuck you, dude.
कभी
Like,
मिलेगी तेरे
अभी
को यार
बस.
अभी खत्म कर ले यार.
Kids, When I Met Your
How I
Mother
Met Your Mother.
is the equivalent of Will Ross and Rachel get married.
and that's
Last episode tak chala hai.
That's the probably most boring plot point, I think. The Ross and Rachel love story.
He was annoying.
Yeah.
And then
It
you know, it
went on
became
for 10
little bit
episodes.
like
People went crazy
अरे
for
बीच
it,
में-
man.
बीच में Joey and Rachel
Rachel
hooked
hook
up.
up.
It was so stupid.
You
That
know,
was a funny
and by the way,
episode.
before we go, I tried this out. We were on the flight once, okay, and the plane was stuck on the tarmac for an hour. So people are like, what's wrong? I said, no, there's something wrong with the left phalange. They're like, oh, acha, acha. Okay. And the person sitting behind me got the reference, tapped me on the shoulder, and high five. Something's wrong with the left phalange.
nice, nice. On that note,
On that note,
All right. I think that we've had a great round of the episode with Friends.
Guys, I have one thing to say to you guys.
Yes, Karan.
I'll be there
for you when the rain starts to pour.
You know why we
I'll
can
be
confidently
there
sing the
for
song?
you.
Because
I've
it's
been
so out
there
of tune, no
before.
copyright tuner will catch it.
That's right.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. This has been Friends. As always,
Hey, was Gunther bald or did he have really short hair?
he had
Really
white
short
hair.
Golden short hair.
He had white hair.
I was wondering.
Basically bald.
Yeah, basically.
Anyway, that's that's
So
it.
leave your comments, your favorite moments from Friends in
Yes.
the comments. And
Remember-
as always,
remember
tell
my
us what you want to talk
remember My
about.
question: Who slept with more girls? Can you guys count the number of women Barney and Joey have slept with?
And who
I'm
has slept
sure
with
there is
more
an
women?
article out there, so post it
So
on the
hunt the
thing.
internet, find out, let us
Yeah.
know.
And if you put it on the SNG comedy, if you tweet to us, we will retweet that tweet for sure.
If it's accurate.
yeah.
We're going to sit and verify it now.
gonna sit
You
and
are.
verify.
Anyway, that's it
How
from
am I
us.
supposed to verify?
Thank you so much.
Yes,
See you
Thank you
guys
so much
next
for watching.
time.
Bye, guys. See you.
Ta-da.
See you. Bye.